When we first got started in this in 2011, we did educate ourselves. You know, we did go around to other courses and other types of seminars. And one of the biggest things that we found was that it was like, there was the idea, but none of the points were there, right? Like none of the content was there. None of the systems are processed. Like like you said, what do we do step 2? What do we do step 3? So we found ourselves like getting excited about the idea of flipping houses, but not necessarily like, what do we do next? Okay, what does the letter need to say? What do we say when the people answer the phone? How do we evaluate this deal? How do we know how much it costs to do cabinets and countertops? And all these things were missing. We had to figure that out ourselves, you know, because there wasn't anything out there that really taught it. So when we decided that it was on our heart to help teach other people, her background, you know, she's the analytical, she's the systems, I'm the visionary one, and we were able to take the vision of where we wanted to go and couple that with your ability to say, okay, here's step 1, here's step 2, here's step 3, here's step 4, and make it a systematic process that anybody off the street could pick up and say, okay, I do this today, I do this tomorrow, I do that the next day, and I get the result.